Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. We went to Cologne Messe in Germany to exhibit our products. The exhibition we attended is held every 2 years. We did it from March 3rd to 6th in 2024. More than 3,200 exhibitors from about 54 countries and about 38,000 visitors from 133 countries came to International Hardware Fair Cologne 2024. We saw many manufacturers introducing their products to customers at their booths. There are various kinds of products such as latest ones, power tools, and so on. Now please take a look at the exhibition. Now what you're seeing is that we are heading to Cologne Messe. After getting off the train at the station, it took about 15 to 20 minutes to get to our booth. Now we must show customers our products while demonstrating the products. This is how we exhibited our products. We demonstrated how to cut materials on the desk. Now I'm walking around the booth. I thought the power tools are the most notable products in the world. They are the ones that craftsmen all over the world want. Thank you again for visitors and Instagram followers. Alright, that was how the exhibition was. How was it? During the exhibition, we got many inquiries about ZETSAW series and reciprocating saw blades from you. ZETSAW series has a long metal spine and fine pitches, so the cut is so beautiful. They are crafted for the precise woodwork and joinery. There are 5 kinds of the series. They are fine 150, hardwood 150, piercing 150, fine 240, hardwood 240. They are one of our most famous products. Reciprocating saw blades are also popular. Power tools are so popular that the saw blades are notable. Especially demolishing, pruning, and woodworking were attractive to customers. Pruning and woodworking saw blades are uploaded on a channel, so please take a look at them. These demolishing saw blades are that bimetal made tough blades with high-speed steel teeth are designed for furniture demolishing, cutting nail embedded wood and aluminum frame. I'd like you to use these saw blades. Visitors, thank you for coming to our booth again. Please wait for next videos and Instagram posts. Goodbye, Germany. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.